What's going on, guys? So finally, hopefully selling the stock 18s with the Cooper Discovery tires. I've had these things on Facebook since I bought them, basically trying to sell them, and I've had a million people say, oh yeah, I want to get them, blah blah blah, and then the day that they're supposed to get them, they don't pick them up. So I'm gonna load them up anyways today. Supposed to be meeting the guy tomorrow at 11, get a little bit of cash, and you know, get us something else for the truck. Stupid for it. That summer gun is rolling all over the place because this daggum short bed's worthless. Guess we'll give a little outside perspective of the truck since we're in some different environment than we normally are. So just looking sick. Got the doggos in the truck. We got that mean lean going on. Better grab a quick Instagram picture and then we're gonna be on the way. All right, so he did end up meeting me and bought the wheels and tires, so thankfully I no longer have to deal with that anymore. So we're gonna start the video off by taking off the fog light tint because we're just gonna have to bite the bullet and get away from the Stormtrooper look. It looks great, but it kind of clashes with the wheels. I will admit that I've thought that from the beginning, but I just absolutely love how the headlights flow with the grill, and a lot of y'all do as well. But we're gonna change it up. A lot of people said get clears, and unfortunately this isn't like the older models. It's not something you can just go and buy like direct replacement clears for. These are really expensive headlights. They're like $1,200, and in order to put clears in them you have to cut them open or heat them up, you know, that whole process. So I'm looking for the right company that I want to trust my $1,200 headlights with. So if you know any, comment down below, let me know. First things first, while the truck has been sitting in the sun all day, let's go ahead and peel the fog light tint off and see if that kills the whole vibe or if it looks good. So as you can see from the factory, it's like a chrome clear black kind of housing, and I think it looks pretty good. It's weird seeing it like this because it's been tinted for so long. We might just have to pull the tint off the headlights. So we're not gonna do this video. I'm gonna give it some time to, you know, soak it in and stuff. But it's, you know, I think we're gonna have to just totally get rid of the Stormtrooper look now that we're halfway doing it. But let's go ahead and pull the other piece off, see how it looks. I really am tempted to just take this top one off because this is a huge orange one, and I know it's gonna look horrible. But then again, maybe it's not because it's gonna look really clean. I don't know. I'm torn. Comment down below. People always asking, you know, was a tint mess up your headlight? Yes, okay, it definitely affects the brightness. It's drivable with it, but some nights it's really annoying. You come to the back, what sticks out like an absolute sore thumb, and has for months, and I've had this, I just hadn't got around to doing it. It's the freaking third brake lights. I just ordered this off of Amazon. It was supposed to be a clear, but it's a clear housing or outside, but black LED underneath. So I don't really know how much better it's gonna look. I think it'll be better, but it's not like the full clear that I wanted. But we might just have to heat it up, crack it open, and color match it white, do it ourselves that way. These bolts are long as freaking crap. So there's our comparison. I definitely do think this is gonna look better. It's starting to turn a little bit purple, you know, VHT nightshades after a while from the sun, it'll start to turn red and purple. As well as we had literally no cargo light because I just sprayed the whole thing. These things are notorious for leaking, so you're supposed to silicone them, but we'll just have to see because I might wanna crack it open and paint it like I said. It did come with this little gasket, which might be all right, but I really don't wanna ruin my headliner on accident. Oh gosh. We're definitely gonna clean all this crud up real quick, and that way it'll have the best possible seal. Let's see if it's better. First time checking it out. It looks, I'm be honest, I'm kind of torn. I do like it, Maybe it's just gonna take me a moment to get used to. Okay, I dig that. I think it's slowly but surely it's growing on me. So I know this one's definitely gonna be controversial. It's controversial to myself. I'm having to go out on a limb to do all this because I'm not a chrome guy. I genuinely am not. My first F-150 had tons of chrome on it whenever I got it. If I have a picture I can find, I'll put it here. Immediately got rid of all the chrome, put black everywhere, and that's just, I'm always about the blackout look. But like I keep saying, we're doing things different. So we got some chrome trim pieces. We're not going to overdo it. We're not going to put too much chrome, and these are just little things off Amazon, so if we don't like them, we just rip them off. But we're going to try it out. It's crazy how different your white paint can look when you do a little bit of accents on it. Oh boy. All right guys, what do you think? Once again, I'm a little iffy. I can't lie, I'm a little iffy on it. I don't know, I'm just not a huge chrome guy, but I do think that looks really clean. It's a clean look. Got the old, it's classy looking, it's classy. It's crazy how much different that looks now. Okay, all right, what's up? Their air conditioning runs 24/7, so it refuses to stop. So we're just gonna have to film through it, and hopefully y'all can hear me. So what y'all think? It does look clean. Looking down the side, I don't know, it makes it seem like it's taller. Bruh, I just noticed this. Is that a dent? I hit a bird the other day, and there's a freaking dent there. I just saw that. What the heck? I swear I obliterated some kind of decently sized bird the other day, and I didn't even look to see if it's a dent. I just saw it is in fact a dent, so that's super sick. I was gonna put this right here because some people have it on the, you know, some model trucks or whatever have it right here. I don't know, is that too much? Is that too much? What do we think about that? That's pretty tough looking. I'm so freaking indecisive. It's driving me nuts. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around with the iPhone, get out from cramped up with the GoPro at the basement, you know, give a little bit different perspective, because it just can look totally different depending on where you're at and whatnot. So I definitely like it. I'm a little iffy on the badges still, just because they're kind of bulky, everything else being debadged. I don't know, like I said, I'm a little torn. I don't know, comment down below, let me know which way you like best, what I should take off, what I should add. I've got a couple more chrome pieces to come in. They haven't came in the mail yet, so waiting on that, and then we'll throw those on there, take the tint off, spice it up, change it up. I don't know, let me know. See if she notices anything different. There's 4 different things. Call them out when you notice them.
You don't have the tennis balls on your antenna.
Okay, there's 5 things.
Oh, this is different.
Oh, what do you think? You like it?
It's okay.
Okay.
That's different.
Okay, how you feel about it?
Cool.
Okay, are you being honest?
I mean, yeah, it's not bad. It looks better, like everything's kind of going together.
Something's different on the front.
This?
Nope.
That's always been white?
Yep.
Oh, sorry guys.
Yep. Nothing was added.
It's taken off?
Yes.
It's not your headlight.
Lower.
Is it these?
Yep. Took the
Okay,
tint off the fog lights.
Yeah, I thought it was a little bit more shinier. Oh, your light up there?
Oh. It's supposed to be clear, like clear, but it's clear outside, black underneath, so I like it better than just the big black part. But
Yeah.
So you think everything tied in pretty good?
Yeah. Very afraid you were going to put chrome handles. Please don't do that.
I'm not. That would be too much.
Yeah.
I had them in the cart ready to purchase, and I was like, no.
No.
Well, I wouldn't change it because they're already white.
Yeah.
The only thing that's not color matched, like handle-wise, is the back tailgate, and it's this big black blob, so maybe It needs to be color matched.
No, it's good. It's not too much.
And I moved the badge like 500 different places, and I finally was just like, screw it. I just stuck them there and I was done. So
Where were you gonna put it?
right down here.
No, I like it up here.
Yeah. All right, well, got the approval, didn't ruin it yet. Slowly but steady getting rid of the Stormtrooper look. The headlights, I'm gonna have to, I know. All right guys, well that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you did enjoy. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
So the cargo light is super bright. That's freaking sick. And no freaking tint on my fog lights. They are so incredibly much brighter. I think I butchered that, but they are so much brighter than they were. I might actually enjoy taking the headlight tint off in the next video more than I think I will.